In this video, I'm going to show you how to use video to increase your website's search engine results. Hi, I'm Jimmy Schaefer, President of Real Reach Marketing and Productions, digital marketing consultant. So many of you are already using video in your marketing. You may be doing some email marketing with video, which increases the open rate by 6%. You may be doing some explainer videos, community videos, but did you know that you can use that video embedded in the page to actually increase your search results and be found more often? So by doing some of these techniques, you could actually increase the traffic to your website, therefore increasing the number of people in the door. That's right, by embedding video on your pages, you can actually show up higher for certain keywords in the search engine results, particularly on Google. And let me tell you why. Google owns YouTube, and they love to cross-promote the platforms. So Google loves to show YouTube videos in the search results, and if you have a video on your page, Forrester says you have 53 times more likely to show up on the first page of Google. So now let me tell you how to do that. Number one, first you have to decide which pages you want to show up on Google. So is it a community page, the home page, the About Us page? And then you have to decide which keywords are going to be relevant for those pages. If it's a community page, it could be new homes in Carrollwood, or new homes wherever that community is, or custom builder in wherever that is. Number three, actually produce the video. The great news here is they can be any kind of video. They can be a community video with aerials and walkthroughs. They can be testimonial videos. They can be explainer videos. They can be how you build a house better than your competitor video. But you must include the keywords at least 3 times. So beginning, middle, and end, include those keywords in the script. A lot of builders are just doing music with the flyover, but no, you have to have a script to be found and to actually for this SEO to take place and to be ranked on YouTube as well as on Google for your page. Step number 4, actually optimize the video and the page. Make sure that your script has the keyword in it, beginning, middle, and end. Upload it to YouTube. Make sure that the title has that keyword in the beginning of the title and in the description and in the hashtags. The page, make sure the page is titled with that keyword. Make sure the copy has that keyword in it several times throughout the page, and similar keywords. So don't keyword stuff, just write it, but Google can understand what other words should be in that paragraph similar to those keywords. Also change the image alt tags to those keywords and the image names to those keywords. So now you have an optimized video and an optimized page. Step number 5 is to actually embed that video in the page. That's pretty simple. Usually if you have a WordPress website, it's just a matter of getting that embed code and putting it in a certain place in your WordPress website. The last step is to make sure that you promote that page. You can promote it on all your social media sites. You can send it to maybe bloggers or realtors, and make sure you send them the whole page link, not just the video, because you want them to promote the page, not the video. Google Spiders will see that you have a very optimized page with these keywords and the text, the alt tags, and the video, which is also ranking on YouTube for those same keywords. And they're going to start to lift that page up, and you're going to show up more for those keywords. A lot of builders are not doing this, so if you start doing it, you could get a jump start on getting that traffic for those neighborhoods. YouTube's also the second largest search engine in the world, so that video alone is going to help your community. So if you have any questions or need any help, click the link below. You can contact me, Jim Schaefer, realreachmarketing.com.